Does Canva now have the best AI image generator on the market? I don't know. Let's find out. Today we're going to try to do something somewhat unique. We're going to take a look at Dreamlabs, which is new to Canva. And also we're going to try to create a logo using Dreamlabs. Let's take a look. Does your stream need healing? If so, you've come to the right place. My name is Dr. Heals and I'm your content cleric. Around here we make videos just like this to help you build an awesome brand on a budget. So today we're working in Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, go ahead and dive in. Go to canva.com, create your own account. If you do not have Canva Pro yet, go down to the description. I have a 30-day free trial down there for you to use to see if it is for you. All right, so once we're on Canva, we are just gonna go over here to our sidebar. We're gonna find Dreamlab. We're gonna click on that and it is going to open this up. So we're gonna do a create a logo using an octopus mascot for a streamer named Octo Guy 223. We're gonna try some stuff, right? We can go from here and we can choose our sizing. I like 16:9 myself. We can go to smart and we can go here and choose whether we want it to be cinematic, creative, smart, an illustration, a render, a minimalist, a sketch, black and white, none, or a vector. So vector might be it, but I'm gonna leave it on smart for now and see what it comes up with. Now, I did tell it to create a logo. I probably should have told it to put it on a white background as it makes removing the logo and putting it somewhere else a lot easier. But as we see right here, it's already created a logo and it even has streamer, OctoGuy223 streamer. Okay, this is solid. So let's edit it a little bit further. Let's keep it and say, make it a minimal logo, edgy gamer on a plain white background. Oh, this is actually really, really good. Okay, right here, kind of the same. Actually, I think I like this one the best. Yeah, this is good. Look at how it does the words. If you've messed around with AI image generation much at all, you know that words are normally a struggle, even for some of the best AI image makers out there. We're gonna click use in a design, and then Canva's gonna immediately open it up in a design for us to work with. We're gonna click it. I'm gonna make this background pink so that I can see the difference in what's happening. Let's hit background remover. Okay, didn't do quite what we wanted, so let's go to edit, background remover, go to the little edit button right here. Let's restore, and then we're gonna use this to restore his inside color because we do want that to still be there. I'm trying to be very, very precise. We can adjust our tool as we get smaller, just like this. And now we can kind of color into here to keep that inside detail because we do want that. Just like that. Now, I don't necessarily want it to say streamer, so I'm actually gonna click erase, make my brush a little bigger, and I am gonna remove just the word streamer because I don't need it. Okay, that should be done. So there we go. Now we have our logo. Now the question is, can we do anything with the color? Let's find out. So I'm gonna go to edit. So let's keep looking in our, so I would say duotone is probably gonna be our best bet into getting us kind of what we want, right? So we can see it's kind of adjusting the coloration inside. Let's say we wanted to go with a sort of green logo, something like that. So let's crop this in so that the image isn't so large because that background is no longer there. And so just like that, in just a few minutes, we have a entire streamer logo that I can do whatever I want with it. I can make this version, right? I can also use my crop tool and just crop out the name. And so now I have just my logo mark, right? I can alt drag this down. I can have this version where it's just the name, right? So now I can do what I want with that. I could even come in here and maybe do like an alt drag like this and cut off to Octo on this one. So now I have like a stacked logo, right? I can stack it there, or maybe we can adjust it a little further, right? What if I make Octo a little smaller? Let's keep that over there. We're just playing kind of around with logo concepts for a second, right? Something like that. And then we can make Octo a little larger, but now we kind of have a stacked type logo, right? A lot of different things we can do. And this is all generated through Canva's AI. And so I could really see making a really, really cool logo, building an entire brand around just this AI generated logo. So that's really cool. I would say as far as like logos and things like that go, it's one of the best. So let's keep that real quick. And I want to play around for a minute. Let's change it from illustration. I'm going to remove the blue and gold. I'm not a huge fan of the blue and gold. And the Dreamlab, it does have currency with it. I apologize as I did not familiarize myself with the currency before making the video. So I don't know how many of these you get and I don't know how to replenish them. So I do apologize about that. I should have checked beforehand. And that one is really, really cool. Oh, wow. That's cool. I like that. Okay. Ooh, this one too. I like that. All right, let's try to go one step further. Let's not make it minimal. Make it bubbly and playful. Oh, easily. Look at this guy. Look at him. You could put him on stickers. You could put him on hats. You could put him on merch just like that. Really, really easy. I really like that. That came out really cool. Let's change it to vector and see what happens. Let's make it like Octo Girl. And let's go with a like feminine cozy like that. Feminine, cozy, comfy. Let's go with a female octopus. A female octopus mascot with a blanket snuggled up for a streamer. So now I'm going to change this back to smart and let it see what it can figure out. Oh, that's great. That is fantastic. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for. That's good. I'm wondering if we could actually use this to create like our own VTubers or something like that. Anyway, get in here, toy around, play around with Canva's AI. Dreamlab is so good. And if you make something with it, do me a favor, join my Discord and post down in the share. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me over on Twitch where I stream really, really late at night. So if everyone else in your house is asleep, I'm probably live. So I'll see you over there. Catch you in the next one.